We start the final lap of the race here in Valencia.
Here
comes Jack Miller. He's coming through like a rocket, and he leads. Can he get the bike stopped into turn one?
With the wind behind him and a bit of slipstream as well, he runs in wide. Can he hold it? Morbidelli's got the inside line for turn 2, but Miller leaves his braking extra late. No, Morbidelli pinches it back.
On the cutback, that was lovely. Morbidelli then is saying, I'm not giving this one up just yet. Miller, will he have a look into turn 4? You bet he will. Up the inside he goes.
It's a last lap humdinger here in Valencia. Jack Miller then. Morbidelli at turn 5. There was no room there, but he finds room. Brilliant. How aggressive was that from Franco Morbidelli? It's all on the line here in Valencia. Mir on the brink of the world title, but who will take the win here?
Awesome last lap already, and we've got another half of it to go. Mir's on his final lap. To Moto GP glory. I thought there was a move coming there into turn 8, but he thinks better of it.
Now then, Jack Miller. Is there going to be any way through? Can he be close enough to try and pinch the inside line through turn number 11? He's going to try and line it up through turn 10. Is he going to be close enough? Here he goes. Oh no! They almost touch. How close was that? Now then, will Miller be able to try and slipstream Morbidelli's Yamaha out of the final corner? Or is Morbidelli going to cling on to a brilliant victory here?
That was a clever defensive move from Franco Morbidelli into turn 11, and Jack's now got to somehow find any time at all. I don't think he's close enough. Mir's on the brink of the Moto GP World Championship. It's going to be a drag to the line for the race win.